Hello everyone, this is Armand Anthony Islayes, a dealer sales trainer of Toyota Mandawi North. Right here, right now, we are at the Bon Odori Festival held here in Mandawi City, Cebu. And pagkaraan nga nag-celebrate for Bon Odori and the partnership with Japan, right here with me is a partnership with Knott's RV Philippines. It is a Japanese company that came here 11 years ago. And karon is a fully modified nga Toyota Tamaraw converted into a recreational vehicle, which is a RV camper van. Okay, so come with me. Let's see together how beautiful this RV is. All right. So this particular camper van is equipped with a side awning. Ano na pita? Hindi ka makatambay-tambay. With the family, with the lovers, may tambay, bonfire ka, luto-luto ang dapita. And ganing dapita, if you're more on the active na lifestyle, we have a bike rack. Manay sa layo. No? As you can see here. And for safety, we equipped it with a backing camera. Okay, karon, or the best part, let's see kung sa kanindot ang iyang interior. Alright? But before anything else, let us leave our shoes before entering our RV. Kung sa tabi, grabe kanindot, grabe kalimpyo. Alright. Okay. So, for this particular RV, it's still 80% done, but supposedly, nga nakita is the shower and the toilet. Ngani supposedly ang ato ang mga shower, and at the side, sir, naatay kaset the toilet here. Alright. Now this is the interior of our Toyota Tamaraw nga automatic nga camper van. There are three ways to charge this particular nga camper van. First is the engine itself through the alternator. Ikaduha is na sa sub-battery nga pwede mapansak sa inyong balay with the normal nga kasaksakan nga pwede na ito gamiton. And lastly, naa siya solar panel nga tag 175 kilowatts per panel. Okay, so we will not worry kung unsa man galing ang pwede natong gamiton nga ni kay while driving pwede ma-charge ang iyang battery. Okay? In terms of functionalities, at my side, right side of me is a 1 horsepower nga aircon. Alright? And ganin napita is pwede mo open for ventilation. Right here. Pwede na ito siya ma-open. Okay. Ibalik. And then, natay sink na ninapita. And naka-LPG ang atoang mga stove per se. Right here is natay microwave. Functional ni siya ha. And ganin napita natay two-way nga refrigerator. There no. We have compartments for your utilities, mga spoons nimo, etc. Right? At the top, in case nga magluto ka, sir, makita nimo sir, naatay kuanta nga ni, ventilation. Ngayon napita exhaust fan per se. Okay? Sa ako ang left side, naatay compartments nga napita. There. Right here. Naatay compartments nga na. And this setting, no, atong dining setting could be converted into a bed para mas daghan na makahigda for the camper van. Okay? And aside from that, we could open our windows. Let me show you. Okay. Alright. And then, para in case nga medyo lamukon ang gawas, natay net for the mosquitoes. Okay? And lastly, natay bed nga ni nga capable of 250 kilograms. Okay. So if there's anything else, if you have inquiries, just approach us, nga Toyota Mandawi North Cebu nga mga ahentes, para we could give you the correct price. Alright? So that's it. If you have more inquiries, just contact the details shown below, and I'll see you soon sa ato releasing.